Hello, it's Miss Ryan, and I want to welcome you to day 2 of our 7th grade social studies project. So just as a refresher on how to get back to the site that has all of our information, we go to the Christiana Middle School page, click on Resources. Under Student Resources, the 4th one down is our library page. Under Teacher Resources, we're going to go ahead and click on Social Studies. See if it will pull down. So Social Studies, and then we're going to click on 7th grade. So here is everything that we need for our assignment. So don't forget, by the end of our lesson, we're going to be able to pull sources from at least 2 different places. We're going to have a minimum of 1 photo with a caption citation, and we're going to be able to turn in our newsletter by sharing it with our teacher. So here are our guiding questions. We were to answer those in Office 365. So here's a shortcut for Office 365. Remember, we made a new folder. We called it Social Studies Project. Within there, we made a document where we saved all of our work. So once we have our questions and our research, we can go ahead and get started with our Smore. So back on our page, if we scroll down, we can go ahead and create our Smore newsletter. And I'm going to go ahead and log out so it's not my account, and I will show you how to create a new account. So we are going to click on Education, and then we're going to sign up for free because we don't want to pay for an account. So either use your own personal email, or you can use your school email. First initial, last name, your numbers at student.rcschools.net, your name, and your lunch number as your password. Once you have an account, you can go ahead and create a new flyer. I would go ahead and just select class. We're going to skip this, and the first thing I like to do is pick my design. I'm going to go ahead and do handwritten. So what I would call my Smore is the name of my topic. So whatever topic you have, and then my subtitle would be my name or your name. If I could spell. Okay, so we have our topic and our name. The next step, I would go ahead and insert question 1. So in your Word document, remember our controls, our keyboard controls. So Control C. I'm going to go back to my Smore and Control V. I'm going to go ahead and remember, you are putting this into your own words and including your source. For the sake of being able to keep this video short, I'm going to go ahead and take the information that we found yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in my Smore. Remember, for a video, so let me go back for a photo. World Book, Magna Carta, I'm going to go ahead and open my picture. Remember, you can sort out by just images if you would like. I'm going to save image as. Remember where you're saving it. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that into my Smore. So I'm done with my question. I'm going to go ahead and add my picture. And there would be question number 1. To move these around, once you have the kind of the cross with the arrows on it, you can reorder. If you don't want a section, you can hit the X and then remove. Do not forget, we need to include citations with pictures as well. So even if you do not have any information, as in paragraphs or words, we still need to add our citations. So for this section, say you're going to add a picture. These pictures might not work. Let's go ahead and just do this other one. And then your description, so this is the, and then down here is where I would paste my MLA. This will be the whole thing, so let's go ahead and take out this part. So there would be my first one. And you could take out, say you don't want 3 pictures, maybe you only want 2. Let's see if we can edit. You might be stuck with 3 with this one. So you can either kind of decide if you want the 3 or what you can do. If you don't want the 3, you can remove this. And then you can go down here, you have some other photos. You can go down here and add in a picture. So you can do the gallery, or you could just do a big photo here, and then underneath you could add a title. And this could be your MLA, you know, what the picture is of, and then your MLA right here. So those are some different options that you have. Once you are done creating your s'more, let me show you how to turn it in. So once you are done editing, you can preview it to see what it looks like. So we did not add much. And you can always go back in and edit. So once you hit preview, doesn't mean you're done. That doesn't mean, you know, you're stuck with that one. So I could go back and edit if I was not happy. So I'm going to go ahead and save. Okay. Let's see. So down here, I have my link. This is how we're going to turn it in. So remember, you can triple click, Control C. Back on our page, we have a spot to turn it in. So it's just a Google Doc. You're going to type in your first name, class period, your teacher, because all 3 teachers are working on the same project. Control V and submit, and you are now done with your assignments. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and one of us will be around to help you. Thank you.